So we have our second square. You cut the yarn in the first one, but keeping for the second one. And what we need to do, we put the right sides together. It doesn't matter. We will try and hide all these corners, but we'll leave them for the end. So it doesn't matter which way, they have the same count. So we are going to do this whole side. So we'll go here on the first one, put this, and we'll start working in each stitch. So here we do this, and then can you see we are taking each stitch from both granny squares and do slip stitch. It doesn't matter which side you will put the thumb. I'll show you later that it can go both sides. So as long as one side has space for the thumb, it's fine. This is our last. And then we chain one and we cut. So this is what it looks. We've done one of the sides. We put it back together. So now we're going to start from the two chains. And we'll chain one. So we're going to work this yarn through. So we are going to do the same, but we will leave a gap for the thumb. So we do the same thing, slip stitch. Actually, as we're doing slip stitch, this will not go in, we will secure it later. So we will work this, the corner one and these two, and we'll leave these two in the corner for the thumb. So let me count how many I did. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we'll do the 10, and we chain one and cut. So this is what we've done. Actually, let's do this and secure them so it's nice and clean to work with. Just use the yarning needle, and then we will go in and out, and then we'll come back. this is the middle bit. We can just go around just to be secure. Okay, now it's nice and tidy. Now we need to turn it the right side up. So this is where the thumb will be. This is how we connect it, the sides. I'm going to do the bottom bit of the fingerless glove first, and then we'll move to the top. So we will start from one of the corners. So we'll do 2 rounds, and we are going to do double crochet front post and double crochet back post. I'll show you in a moment. So leave a little bit so we can work it out later. Secure it, so we chain 3, 3. And what we do, so we are doing it like a double crochet, but the first one will be from the back of the post. So you go, this will be front post, you go in and out So this is the previous row with double crochet, and then yarn over, and then you do your double crochet. So this is from the front. Then the next one will be the back. So you go from the front, sorry, from the back, come out, go in front of the double crochet and pull through. And then we'll continue this one. One front post, one back post. This is the front post. And back post. Front post. Back post. So when we do this, you can see how it starts gathering, like elasticated. So this is what we will do until the end, but just you can watch. So here what I did, I'll do it again. I did the back post, but I combine both of these together. Both the corners together. And then you continue. This was back, so this will be front. And now to connect the first round of the elastic, we go here in the 3 chain and do slip stitch. So then we go chain 3 again, and then we continue. This one is a front post. Just do whatever we did the previous round, whatever is. When it's back post, you do it back post. When it's front post, you do it front post. And this will become nicely elasticated. So if you continue doing this once more, and I will meet you at the end. And now to finish the round, again we'll go here, slip stitch and chain. So I said 3 rounds, but what we did, the first round was from before, when we did all around the granny square. So we did 2 more on the top. So 2 rounds of the elastic. This will finish the finger bit. So if you see, we're going to have our thumb here. This will be okay. So now we just need to cut a little bit of a tail to secure it. We'll secure it later. So now we are going to do exactly what we did here, but on the top, starting with the 2 chain gap, and we'll work the wrist bit, and we'll leave the thumb for later on. We'll do it.
Okay, let's stop for now. We'll continue in part 3.